This video is going to walk you through how to create a new profile for a colleague or group member. There is a navigation bar at the top of the page with three options. The icon on the far right is the Logout button, the middle icon takes you to your profile, and the icon on the left takes you to the user management section of the website. Click Add a User. Create a unique username. Assign it to a unique email address and set their password, which can be altered later. In the status section, select Active to allow this user to access the site. If you'd like the user to receive an email letting them know that you've created an account for them, tick the box that says you notify user of new account. Next, select the role of the new account. Users can enter data in the tool and view their own submissions, but can't see the entries of other group members. Following this, assign the user to a program or group and a local authority or network and click Create New Account.